Pretty extreme day. The highlight was gap continue in reverse. Typically this price action has been difficult and challenging when you have this massive gap down, very sharp sell-off. You don't know when it's going to end, but then it makes a V reversal, rolls over again, and then rallies. So that's typically a hard pattern to trade systematically, and we've seen more and more of them, and we developed gap continuation in reversal specifically to capture this type of move. You see it's done that 2 out of the last 3 trades pretty well, and today it hit its profit target plus 1975. That was a highlight of the day. The other strategies, a lot of chop, a lot of struggle, violent reversal here. A lot of our strategies getting long and getting short and getting whipped around, and so overall, it was a down day in the stock indexes for a lot of these strategies. Tick Wave ES down minus 825, Tick Wave NQ minus 825, VSD long only minus 1775, and then Beta B, VSD ES. We're looking at the long and the short side. We talked about taking the short side. This strategy is down today with the complete reversal, but it's done well on the short side. You see some short trades in here, and so we're considering that, working on adding that to the portfolio calculator, and anticipation of more two-sided price action instead of a straight-up market. We want to be able to capture these down moves since we have a lot of bias on the long side. We also want to be able to capture some more downside movement when it happens, and so VSD short, nice trade. Would be great to have a better exit so it doesn't give all that back. So but this is just a raw strategy, and it's done well. This setup is nearly up 40K, up nearly 40K from the beginning of the year. So that's one of the things we made a video about earlier today. We did not trade the short side. We only trade the long side. So I'm going to show you what we're currently trading on this setup, format the strategy, and this is what we're currently doing in the portfolio calculator. Europe hours is false. So there's always a bias to the upside during the European hours, and our night trader typically captures that. It lost last night, so it's a challenging strategy, challenging market divergence from what we see in the past during European hours when night trader typically goes up. So we do that, and we also set this sell short to exit only. So we use the short signal as an exit signal. So this is what we're trading today in this strategy. I'm going to show you the results for that. And so it stopped out here, minus 1885 on the day, and Viper minus 200. EVP1 was one of the highlights of the day as well, plus 1790 on the trade. I love this strategy because it takes good long and short trades in this market. Was hoping it would take a long trade on this reversal, and it did not. Some of our strategies that typically take reversals, such as these breakout trades, have not taken trades on these reversals today, and I thought that might help us get some back. Taking the long reversal trade, and gap continuation in reverse did that, but the EVP1 and the 60-minute breakouts that have the tendency to do that did not do that today. And so let's look at the base ES strategies. Tick count trend 2 also up on the day. It's been a plus 300 day. Yesterday was a losing day, but overall it's been more of a choppy market. So tick count trend 2 has done better this year. 60-minute breakout ES minus 1025. Tick pulse plus 1275. Adaptive moving average minus 1330. It's open trade minus 1350. 60-minute breakout short. We're starting to see more short signals being profitable. We're starting to see 60-minute breakout become more profitable. So it is up 712 on the day. Night trader down 1525. AT 2020 short only minus 2000. Minus 2000 on the AT 2020. AT 2019 minus 1925. Cobra CT3 ES minus 625. Cobra 3 NQ minus 625. No gap continuation trades today. 60-minute breakout NQ minus 1025. Tick Pulse V12 minus 420. It's open position minus 345. QS3 lost on the day as well. Minus 725. Just a big dip at the open. This huge 250-point dip. Market found support at the 250-point increments. Sometimes 12,750, 725 was the low, so it found support in the NASDAQ at 12,750 area. Bounced 350 points, rolled over, then rallied again. So wide-ranging, choppy day, hard to trade for the most part. AT 2020 NQ minus 725. And so those are the trades that you see on the NQ. And again, the highlight was this gap continuation in reverse. Cobra crude oil, short minus 455 on the aggressive and conservative. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, no trades. Gold, minus 1,025 on Asia Gold. Choppy day in gold too. So we had these long trades in gold, stopped out on that bar, and then it reversed again. The short trades got short and reversed on us. Just a really violent, choppy day in gold and stock indexes. The Fed Chair Powell spoke today, and oftentimes that creates some choppiness. Cobra Euro 4 minus 143.75. Exhaust in reverse minus 187.50. So it had a profitable trade here, lost here, profitable trade here. It's back in on the trade, trying to capture another rally into the close, trying to take out these highs on the day, I guess. Will it do it? It could. We'll see. We have about 8 minutes until the stock market closes. Soybeans, grains day trader 3s, tried to short the market, got stopped out, minus 375. Soybeans well up here at 1424 area. Let's see. We have, these are the old some of the old strategies, and then we have the optional strategies. Night trader, VSD, lost on the day, stopped out, minus 1525. Cobra 3 NQ, the profit target version, minus 625. ES, minus 625 here on this profit target version. So you see bonds. Bonds are moving lower, which means interest rates are moving higher, and the market seems to appear to have more inflation and more opportunity to the downside. That's why we want to consider adding short trades to the setups that we talked about earlier in an earlier video today. So challenging, choppy day. We'll have the portfolio calculator updated soon, and those are the trades on the day for February the 23rd, 2021.